What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Creating Creations, and I'm back today with a bit of a different kind of video. So, about 3 or so months ago, I totally disappeared from YouTube, and that's because I was busy working on this thing. I did this for a Google Science project. It didn't quite work. I had a great idea. I was going to make a flying car using a parachute that could reel itself in. Roll the clip. As you can see, that didn't work. I tried begging it to work, but that still didn't work. Anyhow, I got the bright idea after that. I'm going to attach some foam to it, and I'm going to use it as a boat. Let's give that a try. Well, that was a very mediocre boat at best, and I think the problem is because the wind is pushing it down into the water, and so this side's going down, so it can't plane. And so my solution to that is some good old Coke bottles and some duct tape. I'm just going to tape these together and put them on the front. Hopefully that gives it some more lift. Not sure if that's the right word. I think it's more like flotation. Anyhow, I'll give it some more flotation, and hopefully it'll work better. Roll the clip. Okay, guys, not sure if Coke bottles did any good, but I think it went a little bit faster. I don't know. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, guys, well, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if this is your first time visiting, please take a moment and press the red subscribe button. I'll much appreciate that, and I look forward to meeting you on the next video. Peace out. Interruption. If anyone's interested in the parts that I used to make this video, I will leave affiliate links to them in the description below. If you purchase them from those links, it would really help out my channel. So thank you guys very much. Bye.